On the night of September 11, 2024, an unidentified flying object was spotted hovering over Tianjin for several hours, causing widespread disruption at Tianjin Binhai International Airport. Many flights were canceled, delayed, or diverted to other locations. While officials claimed the incident was due to drone activity, many people speculated it could have been a UFO. Yo. Okay. We finally have a UFO video to look at, right? Finally, that's what this channel's about. Enough stories. Let's look at some real UFO footage, right? Now, what I'm about to show you has been categorized as a drone, but who knows, right? Because on September 11th in China, over an airport, they got shut down, mind you, because of this. Some drones were spotted, or UFOs. I don't know. What is it, right? I first learned about it because Ross Coulthart tweeted it out. Multiple folk from China reporting UAPs seen over Tianjin Airport, September 11th. Fighter jets scramble. Airport closed for hours. Yet again, it's explained away as a drone, but those who actually saw the object don't accept that drone explanation. Now, Ross is saying fighter jets were scrambled, but I couldn't find any information on that, but I trust him. He's a respected journalist, right? So that's very interesting. But before I get to the first clip, I do want to say later here in the video, I am going to read from an article from China where they just categorize it as a drone. But again, who knows, right? So, but first, let's get to this UFO video, which I'm sure is why you clicked on this, right? Let's jump to it. Now, I've got several clips of it, but this is the first one. All right, so I've got more clips coming up of this UFO, right? Different angles, different people made videos and put it up on social media, and we're going to get to that. But first, according to Global News, which I think is this China, listen to me, publication, right? They're categorizing it as a drone right away. And this is what they had to say. Drone causes flight delays, cancellations at Tianjin Airport, affecting 3,000 passengers. Safety concerns caused by drone at an airport in North China's Tianjin municipality on Wednesday evening delayed 29 flights and canceled 8, affecting the travel plans of over 3,000 passengers as of late Wednesday night. Normal takeoff and landing resumed Thursday morning. Now, I'll put a link in the description to that full article, and you can go check it out. Let's get to more footage of this UFO, because that's what you want to see, right? It's very interesting, right? And it's not just one, as you'll see in this compilation. There's more than one, several, in fact, right? In different video. I don't know, y'all, right? Can't wait to read the comments, see what y'all say about this and what you think. So let's dive in and look at this compilation of this UFO spotted over China. This is an interesting compilation of videos, right? There's not really too much information out there because it's coming out of China, and it is kind of hard to trust. I mean, we barely trust our own media, right? So I don't know, but it is very interesting, right? And if fighter jets were scrambled, that makes it even more interesting because it did shut down this airport, right? And affected over 3,000 passengers, delayed flights. I mean, was it just a drone that would do that, right? Wouldn't this airport like be aware of that and kind of already had seen drones, right? Because it's illegal to fly drones over airports, any airports, right? So it seems like they would have been prepared. You know, not going to scramble fighter jets. That seems a little unlikely. Now, what would be interesting would be to hear from the pilots, right, that were flying around. What did they see? Now, there's no information about that yet. Maybe more will come out and this story will unfold. But as of now, that's where we're at. We have this footage from multiple people. It did, you know, something did happen. That is without question. The only question is, what was it? Now, I have to admit, this does look a little bit like the Palmdale, California UFO sighting that happened earlier this summer, as well as didn't compare to some stuff that happened in Hawaii. So here's a few clips of that to kind of give you some comparison. So tell me in the comments what you think. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.